Okay, I'm gonna tell you how much it costs to get your brakes changed on your 2015 C250 Mercedes. This is my daughter's vehicle. So I called Mercedes and they charge like $160 for the parts, just for the rear brakes, and then $262 for labor. So you're looking at about $300. But my daughter's front brakes were okay, so she had to get the rear brakes. So what I did, went to AutoZone and picked up some brakes, and they were like $60 for the brakes, and you also got to have a sensor for this also. So we picked up the sensor for $10. So you're looking at a total of about $60, $70 with taxes. And so I called around and I got my mechanic and I asked him about how much it would cost for him just to replace the rear brakes, not the rotors, just the brakes. And he told me labor, he charged $100 for the front and $100 for the back. So it cost her $100 to get this replaced. So you can do this yourself. It's not too hard, but I would recommend just pay the $100. Go ahead and pick up the brakes. So you're looking at a total of about $170 to get everything done. If you go to Mercedes, you might as well double that. You're looking at about $350. But anyway, these are the brakes that came off the rear. And this is the brand she got right here. I don't know where she got them from, but you can probably use any brand. They all pretty much similar. You can get them off Amazon. And this is the brakes. This is what the brakes look like. This is what the brakes look like. And you see they're wore down. And she used these. This is a 2015, so these brakes probably ain't even been changed for 7 years. But this is the sensor that I was talking about. And you need one for the front and one for the back. And these right here came off the rear. As you can see, this is what they look like. Get some shade right here. So that's what it looked like. I'm gonna turn them so you can see the other side. And those are wore down. And look at it. Oh man, you got daughters or sons, and make sure they take care of their vehicles and get these changed. This is this dangerous right here. So I think she's good for another few years, but it's probably been 7 years since these brakes have been changed. But she had the car only for about 2.5, 3 years. So I don't know if the people changed them before then. But anyway, like I said, it's gonna cost you about $170 with parts and labors if you buy the parts yourself and take it to a mechanic to get it fixed. But if you take it to Mercedes, they get about $350, $400 just to change the rear. And we're not talking about rotors, we're just talking about brakes. All right, thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.